this shit. 50 Tyson. That's not Drake.
Hey, this your boy 50 Tyson, man, you know what I'm saying? Doing autographs, man, you know what I'm saying?
A nigga really signing autographs.
I ain't doing no lie, man. 50 Tyson.
What's up, that dude, yo?
I can't believe they contracting retards now. That's how bad the industry is right now.
Yeah, but didn't you have a record deal, B? Wasn't he like all over cereal boxes? Wasn't he like Frankenberry back in the late 90s?
Yo, look, the bootleg Drake, Dizzy Drake, that's what it says. Dizzy Drake. And Little Twisted. What is that, the fucking handicap invention and shit? The handicap?
That's the
handicap hip hop all-star.
That's the bootleg Young Money. Yo, man, so what you gotta say about this dude, man?
I say that's retarded, man.
Yeah, but don't you got his CD though?
Yeah, alright, bitch.
Man, when you came from Miami, you had a CD.
You had his CD.
You was trying to bump that shit in my motherfucking truck.
When you
Talking about, yeah, there's some new nigga from the MIA,
Minnesota. Where Danny's from,
rocking that shit,
Minnesota.
Nigga. You got 50 Tyson autograph.
Yeah, alright, bitch.
50 Tyson underwear.
You're retarded.
You got the 50 Tyson
underwear. You should be on stage with him, you retard.
Right? You got the 50 Tyson bedroom.
Yo, Danny, ain't that your cousin? Huh? Ain't that your cousin?
That's your aunt, nigga.
Yeah, alright, bitch. You're stupid.
That's what's good, man. You got some of the 50 Tyson bed sheets you got.
50 Tyson bed sheets. Damn, that kid got a fucking old ass Scottie Pippen jersey out of this shit. Leather's all falling off. Damn, dog.
It's the retired Frankenberry, guys. Look at Gordon.
Look at this retard. Look at him. Just look at him.
We looking. You're Gordon.
Yo, Danny, one of your whores is texting you.
Nah, nigga. What's up with that? They gonna disrespect my bitches.
Yeah, bitches.
Oh, shit.
50 Tyson, she bouncing on her tippy toes.
Oh, we gotta see that. That shit's gotta be hilarious.
I keep on jerking the same thing. Like, she bouncing the ball down her tippy toe. She bouncing the ball on her tippy toe. She bouncing the ball on her tippy toe. The shawty bag ain't big like some other shit.
What's wrong with that kid?
Shit, you heard?
Shawty baby, she bouncing her tippy toe.
Come on, nigga, talk. Fuck.
Yeah, man. Don't you talk, bitch.
You 50 Tyson, you 50 Gordon.
50 Tyson, you 50 Gordon.
Oh, my nigga Gordon, he's gonna kick some fly shit. Yo, nigga, what's up? With that stain on his fucking lip. Is that nut?
Look at him, look. Look at this shit. Yo.
Look, my nigga Gordon, what's up, man? Is it true you like to give head on the weekend?
You're stupid, nigga.
You faggot. My nigga Gordon is gay.
You're gay, bitch.